All right. All right, last game. Kuya Chamel Clone Bites versus Rayela Trabungko. Okay, starter lineup from Kuya Chamel Clone Bites. Alvarez, Kabasan, Dulungin, Habla, Magpulong, Pinis, Rumoros, Sibiliano, Sagrado, Simon, Talaruk, Tikilyo, Tunyakaw, Trakarol, and Mr. Head Coach, Team Owner, Reynold Tabog. For Yala Trabungko, starter lineup, Aranita, Bangkal, Kasya, Dikiri, Dimaro, Eklio, Gonzales, Lubguban, Madronero, Olarte, Rabi, Reyes, Surya, Suarez, Taganos, and Mr. Head Coach, Mr. Popoy Flores. This game, starter 5, is from Counselor King Bill Monte. Starter lineup, starter 5 from Kuya Chamels, Talarok, Romoros, Kabasan, Tunyakaw, and Piñez. For Rayala Trabungko, starter 5, Reyes, Suarez, Gonzales, Rabi, and Aranita. Okay, starter 5. Okay. Bakbakan na to. Kuya Chamel Clone Bites versus Rayala Trabungko. This game is brought to you by Honorable Vice Mayor Wikwik Oy. Gracia. To Gonzales. Loose ball. Bola sa Kuya Clone Bites. Talarok, tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Mr. Dikere. Dikere to Rabi. Rabi to Dikere. Dikere, umatake, tapal Bulkasil. Kabasan. Tapal na rin. May foul. Foul jersey number 10. First foul. First team foul. Rayala Trabungko. Gonzales, nagmamadali si Mr. Gonzales. Ay, bad pass. Alvarez, tumira ng 3. Good for 3 points. Alvarez. Rebound by Talarok. Talarok, nagmamadali. Pass to Kabasan. Long to. Good for 2 points. Kabasan. May foul. Foul jersey number 16. First foul. First team foul. Shot clock, reset 14. Reyes. No good. Bound by Talarok. Talarok to Kabasan. Back to Talarok. To number 88. Good for 2 points. Gonzalez. Symbol. Twelve to shoot. Shot clock. 10 to shoot. Rabe. May foul. Foul jersey number 88. Shot clock reset 14. Kasya to Gonzalez. To Reyes. Reyes. Pumisto ng 3. Ayaw pumasok. Rebound by Dikiri. Good for 2 points. Talarok. To number 16. To Alvarez. 10 to shoot. No good. Good for 2. Gonzalez to Rabi. Rabi to Kasya. 14 to shoot, shot clock. To Dikere. Dikere. Umatake. Yes. Iba ang tangkad. Talarok to 88 Pinyes. Wala. Rebound by Gonzalez. Gonzalez now dribbling the ball. No good. Kabasan to Talarok. Kabasan. Using the glass. Good for 2 points. Kabasan. Rabe. Long to. No good. Bound by Talarok. Talarok. Ayaw pumasok. Rabi to Gonzalez. Rabi. No good. May foul. Basket count. Foul jersey number 16. Kabasan, umatake. No good. Rebound by Kasya. Kasya to Rabi. Rabi now dribbling the ball. Pass to the boy. The boy, yes. May foul. Foul jersey number 8. Number 8. Sorry, 88. Substitution. Okay. Kuya Clone Bites under for penalty. Gonzalez. Fast to Gassia. Good for 2 points. Talarok. Pass to Alvarez. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Dikere. Dikere to Gonzalez. Gonzalez to Reyes. Sayang. Kabasan. May foul. Foul jersey number 6. First foul, jersey number 6. Second, team fouls. 10 to shoot. Number 29, good for 2 points. Gonzales, now dribbling the ball. Naghahanap ng kasama si Mr. Gonzales. Ay, pagkasayang. Talarok to number 16. To Alvarez, 12 to shoot. Nice pass. Good for 2 points. Rabi to Gonzales. Back to Rabi. 8 to shoot. Shot lock. Rabi mera ng 3. Ayaw pumasok. May foul. Foul jersey number 29. Substitution. Kay team penalty na natong commentator.
All right, thank you so much, Referee Ronnie. And back to the microphone po tayo mga kaibigan. Okay, no good. So the Curry in the line for free throws. Okay, no good pa rin. Rebound. The Lugin for 2 points. It's a nice play for Kuya Chamel's Clone Bites. Under 3 minutes and 58 po tayo mga ka-GBL. 17-8. Oops, short in a clean block. Gandang block yon. Almost a steal. 3-in-1. Dadalawang isip. Naghahanap ng teammate. Magpulong. Short. No good, and that would be Rayelas basketball. Okay, Erneta will join this round. 17 na tala na score, 17. 8 lamang ang Kuya Chamel's Clone Bites. Taganos for 3. Too strong. Rebound, pass rebound, but there's a whistle. Who's foul rep? Okay, that would be a foul, and Suarez will shoot 2 for free throws. Anyway, shout out sa ating 65 viewers. Basket counted. Ready for rebound, second throw. Shout out Kirk Rui Malason. Okay, that would be inbound. Oh, there's a whistle. Okay. Alvarez got the last touch. Hindi na control ang bola. 14 to shoot. Taganos. Taganos. Is a tip-off. Alvarez got the steal. Talarok. Kabasan for 2. No good. Rebound by Taganos. Taganos to Suarez. To Araneta. To the Kiri, and that would be 44, 2 points by number 44. Ecleo. Ecleo play on, guys. So Ecleo got 2. Talarok to Alvarez. Alvarez back to Talarok. Setting up a play. Getting that screen. Looking for an open man. It's a steal. Kabasan. Oh, there will be a whistle. A reaching foul. Timeout, Kuya Chamel's Clone Bites. Okay, shoutout sa ating mga ka-GBL na nanonood sa ating live streaming. Guys, mga ka-GBL 2, ang dalawa po yung live streaming po natin ngayon, ha? So we are live here in Iligan. Okay, so live po tayo, Iligan and Oroqueta Play. So, anyway, thank you so much, our tech team, the Side Tech DMS Prod. Thank you so much for our live streaming. Para lahat enjoy, lahat happy na manonood sa ating team play for this second matchup. And this will be the 30th game for our Game Time Basketball League Season 1. And that timeout is brought to my Honorable Vice Mayor Wikwek Uy Iligan. We can do it. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. But shout out to John Paul A. Suarez. Shout out ko ni Harold Norio Suarez. Okay, shout out kauban Miguel Montoya by Cluster Tusoy. Shout out Rogel Perez. Happy birthday by Justoni Garciliano. Okay, so now Luke Guban will shoot for 2. So we are under penalty po tayo. Okay, basket counted. Ready for rebound. Eto, naghahabol ang ating Team Rael at Trabungco. Every basket counts talaga. Importante. No good. Tip off. Uy! But it's a out of bounds. Last touch by Kuya Chamel's clone bite. And retain po yung ball possession for Rael at Trabungco. And this will be a chance for them to convert it to a point para mahabol ang puntos. 5-point lead po tayo, guys. 5-point lead. Suarez. No good. Ecleo got the rebound. Ecleo to Taganos. Setting up the game. Screen by Araneta. Lubguban to Ecleo. Ecleo, jumper. No good. Tip off. Magbulong got the rebound. Uy, and almost a steal. But Araneta lost that ball. Last touch, Araneta. Ball possession for Kuya Chamel's Clone Bites. 12-17 ang talaan ng score under 2 minutes and 3 seconds inbound. Tip off. It's a steal for Raila Trabungco. Controlled by Araneta to Taganos. Taganos to Ecleo. Okay, that would be another out of bounds. Timeout. Timeout! Raela Trabungco. Okay, magandang laban dito, guys. Created by the momentum of our Raela Trabungco. But Coach Popo got that timeout, quick timeout for adjustments na naman. And that timeout is brought to you by Honorable Vice Mayor Wikwek Iligan. We can do it. So shout out po tayo sa mga viewers. Shout out ko ni Kuya Nixon Pipito. Idol na ko mo coach. So yan, sa idol sa tayo Coach Nixon. Okay, shout out po tayo kasi jump pack po tayo sa audience natin tonight for this second game. And now let's find out kung anong adjustment ang ginawa ni Coach Popoy for the Team Raela Trabungco. And back to the ball game po tayo. Okay, so Ecleo will do the inbound under the basket. Tignan natin kung effective yung set play na ginawa ni Coach Popoy. And there you go. Taganos. Faking that shoot. Getting a screen. Taganos for 2. Basket counted. 2 points. Taganos. Taganos, mga ka-GBL, is our former Derek Shaw player of the game. Habla. Screened by Alvarez. Almost a steal but recovered. Habla. Ginamitan ng Manoy moves. Ayan. Last touch by Luke Gubain. 5 seconds shot clock. Habla, jumper. Oh! There's a whistle. And that would be Araneta got another foul for... First personal foul ni Araneta. Nagpulong. Habla. Habla to Alvarez. Boss Alvarez to Magpulong for 2. Basket counted. Magpulong, 2 points. Okay, so Taganos commanding a play for his teammate, looking for an open man. Lubguban attacking the basket. Ooh, that would be a steal for Alvarez. Tip off. Kuha ni Taganos, control the ball. Pass to Ecleo. Ecleo for 2 points. Gandang conversion of the basket ni Ecleo that time. Di talaga nag-give up sa basket. Tiquilio to Alvarez. Alvarez spin move. Ang ganda. Wow! But that will be a clean block. 6-second shot clock. Boss Alvarez will do the inbound. Magpulong for 3. Short. Rebound by Taganos. Taganos. Tip off. Nakuha niya steal. Pass break to Alvarez. Alvarez. Naiwan. Up to Strong. Gandang depensa ginawa ng number 2. Okay. Slipped up. Ecleo got it. Too strong. Oh, that would be time. End of the regulation. Okay, so end of the first quarter po tayo. And that first quarter is again brought to us by Honorable Vice Mayor Wikwik Uy. Illegal, we can do it. Ang talaan ng score, baba sa 3. Ang lamang ng Kuya Chamel's Chicken House Clone Bites against 16 ng Raela Trabunco. So our first quarter punta sa ating Kuya Chamel's Chicken Clone Bites. So now let's find out kung anong gawin ng Raela Trabunco for their adjustment to take the lead and to win the second quarter, mga ka-GBL. So anyway, mga ka-GBL, please inform everybody. Please be informed na lahat po tayo mag-enjoy this coming March 1 on our GBL All-Star Break. Kasi March 1 at MSU IIT Gym. Same time, same channel po tayo. So we will be having our All-Star showdown. So we will be having our All-Star Break. And we have a 3-point showdown and slam dunk competition. So please visit our Facebook page of Game Time Basketball League for further updates. So let's begin our second quarter. Another faces for Raela Trabunco. Some of the Kuya Chamel's changed their lineup. Okay, there you go. Jumper, 2 points for number 29. Gonzalez to Bangkal. Bangkal for 3. Too strong. Rabe got that rebound. Double team. Gonzalez back to Rabe. Rabe faking the basket, attacking the basket aggressively. Okay, that would be a 2 points for Rabe. For that reverse layup. Habla commanding a game. Number 18. Kabasan. Kabasan to Habla. Habla for 3. Too strong. Rabe. There's a foul for Kabasan. Okay, Gonzalez will do the inbound. Gonzalez. Dimara got a screen. Dimara, okay, see. Rabe. Bangkal for 3, short. That would be offensive rebound. Habla! Oop, to short. Rebound by Rabe. Napabilis, napashort na sa tira. Bangkal. Oh, tip off, and that would be a steal. Habla. To Kabasan. Kabasan, jumper to the free throw line. 2 points. Kabasan. All right, so let's go. Rabe dribbling the ball naman, looking for open man, commanding the game for his teammate to Gonzalez, to Mark Bangkal, to Dikiri. Dikiri posting up, sizing up, and pass to Rabe, naiwan, and that's a good pass for Rabe. 2 points. Gandang pasahan ng Team Raela Trabunco. Talaan ang score, 23-18. Malamang pa rin ng Chamels. Clone Bites. Short, rebound by Rabe. Panyas short for the shot. Gonzalez attacking the basket to Bangkal, side 3 corner. Bang! Bangkal for 3 points. First 3 points of Mark Bangkal, mga ka-GBL. So natignan natin makabawi ang ating Kuya Jamel because now we are tied at 23. Habla. Jumper too strong. Di ba, Di Maraw, Arabe. Ooh! Slip off. Nawala yung balanse ni Rabe. Habla to Kabasan. Kabasan forcing up. No good. Pinilit ni Kabasan ang tirang yon, guys. Rabe pulling up for 3. Bang! Rabe for 3 points. Lamang na ngayon ng ating Raela Trabungco in getting that momentum. 26-23. Peñas. Ooh, that will be a whistle. Who's foul rep? Okay, substitution. Under 6 minutes and 53 na po tayo mga ka-GBL. 23-26 po tayo. Okay, inbound. Peñas. Looking for an open man. Nagdadalawang isip, umatake sa basket. Gandang pasahan. Digin. Oy, malakas lang yung tira. There will be a pushing foul, I think, by Di Maraw. So, almost, okay, Kabasan. Kabasan attacking the basket. Floater, uy! Kanino yan pinapasa yun? Kay Gonzales, kinuha yung steal. Attacking the basket. Oh! Mark Bangkal hit the floor hard for that fast break. So 6 minutes and 28 for tayo for the second quarter. 23-26, lumamang na ang team Raela Trabungco. Dikiri to Gonzales. Bangkal to Rabe. Tayo na ako, di ko makita. Rabe deciding to attack the basket. To Gonzales, to Bangkal. Corner for 3. Bang! Binawian ni Bangkal. Mark Bangkal for 3 points. That will be a second three-pointer ni Mark Bangkal, mga ka-GBL. Uy, that will be a tip-off. Gonzales, walang bantay. Easy layup, easy deuce. Timeout! Kuya Chamel's Clone Bites. Okay, so talaan ang score 29-23. And that time was brought to you by Honorable Vice Mayor Wekwek Uy Ligan. We can do it. Ang gandang laruan na pinapakita ng ating Raela Trabungco for that three-pointer of Mark Bangkal. Takes the lead for that moment in this quarter, mga ka-GBL. So shoutout po tayo sa ating mga live viewers, sa mga 80,000 viewers natin, guys. We have Maven Villa, Anyway, shoutout Denise, Krakel Alas. Go guys, Clone Bites. Ayan. Anjo Armac, better pa shoutout po sa UBC Mamba. Ayan. Anyway, shoutout po. Ayan. Condition talaga tayo. Anyways, thank you so much for recognizing our energy. And Mike Master G, kasama niyo po tonight. Wala tayo sa first quarter kasi may meeting tayo, clients meeting. Ngayon lang tayo nakapag-comment ngayon for the second game. Ito na, tignan natin kung ano adjustments ang gagawin ng Team Clone Bites. Kabasan. To Talaruk for 3. Short. And that will be a offensive rebound and 2 points for number 29. Rabe. Dribbling the ball, looking for an open man, setting up the game for his teammates. Get the screen for Gonzales. To Rabe. Naiwanan na naman si Mark Bangkal. Mark Bangkal is open for 3. Another 3 points. Short. Sayang. Okay, labanan ng rebound. Gonzales got it. Rabe. And that would definitely be a foul for number 16. Fighting for that rebound, but Rabe. Tatlong foul na po for number 16. I don't think so if necessary yung foul na yun, no, mga kaibigan. But again, that would be a... okay, no good for Rabe. Not necessary foul yun kasi definitely that would be a problem, no, for number 16. Pangatlong foul na po nakuha niya. Ready for rebound. Rabe. Basket counted. Shout out Boss G from Apex. Okay, Darts Blends. Shout out sa iyo, Boss Darts Blends na nanonood online. Okay, back to the ball game natin guys. For Clone Bites. Kabasan for 3. No good. Rebound by Rabe. Rabe to Gonzalez. Attacking the basket, looking for an open man. Rabe, balik ang Rabe. Gonzalez connection. Rabe ulit. Ooh, that would be almost a steal, but recovered. Ball possession. Raela Trabunco. Mark Bangkal. Rabe. Back to Mark Bangkal ulit. Deciding to back the basket. Pasa kay Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Jumper. Bank shot. 2 points for Gonzalez. Okay, so 34-25. Abante sa 9 points ang lamang ng Raela Trabunco. Magpulong. Jumper. 2 points for number 29. Dulugin. Dulugin got that jumper good. So 27-24. Gonzalez making a play for his teammate. Dekiri to Glabe. Ayun, short. Rebound by number 16. Oh, guys, almost recovered. Punti ka na. Kabasan. Sidestep. Oh, and that would be a 3-point play opportunity for Kabasan. It's a basket counted. Pasok yung layup na yon. Timeout, Raela Trabunco. Okay, adjustment na naman. So again, creating the momentum, 29-34. So timeouts, our Raela Trabunco. So shout out po tayo sa ating mga viewers na nanonood, both live streaming and andito sa loob ng gym. Thank you so much for your outstanding support sa liga natin ng Game Time Basketball League. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-like ng ating Facebook page, just visit our GBL, Game Time Basketball League Season 1 page, and then please like and share our live streaming. Okay, Clister Tusoy, Basahadol. Okay, shout out ko on Jacob Simborio, happy birthday. Okay, Kabasan, having the 3-point play opportunity. Ready for rebound? Kabasan? No good. Sayang. Okay, so 5 points ang kalamangan ng Raela Trabunco. Taganos is back to the ball game. Okay, Taganos to Suarez. Posting up. Sizing up to Suy. And that would definitely a offensive. Nilabas ang Siko. Kitang-kita sa referee. That would be an offensive foul for number 6. Second personal foul by Cassia. Ooh, Peñas attacking the basket, but there will be a foul for number 3. A blocking foul by Suarez. Penalty na po tayo, penalty. So Peñas will go for a free throw. So, ayan. So Suarez got his first foul. Peñas will go to the line. Basket counted. Okay, ready for rebound. Shout out kong Jim Torona, birthday niya. Happy birthday, Jim Atarona. Basket counted, converted na 2 puntos. The score is 31-34. Baba sa 3 ang lamang ng Raela Trabunco. Mga ka-GBL, magandang labanan din to for the second game. Ang gandang match-up nila guys. Ay, ito na. Suarez, screen. Attacking the basket. Ooh, that would be a clean block. Walang bantay. Talarok. 3 naghahabol, but definitely a basket counted for Talarok for 2 points. Taganos got it. Dribbling the ball. Commanding a play. Araneta got the screen. Talarok for 2. No good. Rebound by Peñas. Peñas. Oh! Another foul. I think pangatlo na yan, di ba? Yes. Sayang yung aggressive ng ating number 6 player for he got his third personal foul. So Cassia, third personal foul. So Peñas again will go to the line for 2 points. Palitan, naka-change na ball. Babasa. Shout out ni Dempster Inaw Salanaw. Sorry guys, hindi na ako ma-mention ang imuhang word na express Boss John Paul Suarez. Alright, so Peñas will go to the line because under penalty na po tayo. So this time in every foul, free throws. First throw. No good. Uy, nagbintes si Peñas. Second throw, ready for rebound. 1 point na lang. Tingnan natin kung matay ang ball game. And we are again back to tie. Ball game po tayo. 34 all. Ayan, under 2 minutes and 45 seconds in the second quarter. Cassia sizing up, looking for an open man. Good defense for Kuya Chamels. Reyes. Araneta got the screen. Reyes decide to attack the basket. Cassia in traffic, in corner. Forcing the two, no good. Rebound by Kuya Chamels. Kabasan 3-2. Oop, lost the control. And nakuha ng Rael Trabunco. Kabasan got a loose control of the bola. Hindi na nakabawi. Tinamaan ang bola. Ang tinamaan ang tuhod ng bola. And out of bounds for Kuya Chamels. Ahinay Muntol. Bro, pahangini bro. Sige lang, ito na panginan niya second half. Okay, so there we go. Taganos to Suarez. 2 points for Suarez. 36-34. Abante ng dalawa ang Team Rael Trabunco. And now, tignan natin kung makabawi ang Kuya Chamels. Talarok to Dulugin. Uy, dalawa sila. Kabasan, got it. Tumira na tres. Bang! Kabasan for 3 points. Ayan, pasok yung tres ni Kabasan. Angat sila ng 10 puntos. Suarez attacking the basket. Reyes. So Suarez, 2 points, no good. Rebound by Kuya Chamels. Kabasan to Laruk. Oh, that would be a block by Araneta. Pero I think parang travel ata yun if ever given a chance. Pero anyway, it's a block by Araneta, a clean block. So ball retention for Rael, so Kuya Chamels. Shot clock. Kabasan, posting up, uy. That will be definitely. Ito na sinasabi ko, travel agad, di ba? Traveling violation. A turnover, another turnover for Kuya Chamels, lone bites. So in a ball game talaga, dapat you need to have a less na minor na turnovers that will be advantage for your opponent pag maka-turnover kayo, mga ka-GBL. Okay, sizing up. Suarez. 2 points for Cassia. Baga ng pasahan ni, Rael Trabunco. 37-38. Seconds to play po tayo. Steal. Peñas. Ooh. And there will be definitely a free throw for Peñas. Ay, tinulak. Parang si si number 6. And definitely that would be delikado sa posisyon for Cassia. Effective pa naman siya sa gameplay na laruan ito for the second quarter. But Cassia got his 4th personal foul. So Coach Popoy talaga dapat palitan. Cassia is being effective talaga sa laruan nila. But he got his 4th personal foul. Isa na lang, gagraduate na. So definitely that will be a substitution for Rael Trabunco. Okay, Peñas got the first basket. Balik na naman tayo sa tie ball game at 38. Under 46 seconds lang tayo ha, 46 seconds. 46 segundos ang natitira. Ready for rebound. Basket counted, converted in dalawang puntos na yun. Taganos posting up. Uy! We're good. Lakas ng depensa niyon ha. Suarez, too strong. Rebound by Okay, that would be a loose ball. Di na control ang bola. Rebound by Reyes. 39-38. Last ball possession, 23. 20 seconds remaining time. 10 to shoot. Jumper, no good. Offensive rebound, Peñas. And 2 points for Peñas. Taganos, too strong. Ooh, di na nakuha. End of the regulation. Again, nakuha ang lamang 41-38. Pero hindi pa malaki yung lamang. Kaya-kaya pa yung habulin. So end of the first half tayo mga ka-GBL. Magandang bakbakan at litditan ang talagang pinapakita ng Kuya Chamel's Clone Bites versus Raila Trabungco. Raila Trabungco. So that ends our second quarter of the second game. So again, mga ka-GBL, sa mga nanonood live stream, maraming salamat for sharing and liking our Facebook page. So for more updates on our schedule for our All-Star break on March 1, that will be on MSUII Team Gym na po tayo. So we are inviting ating mga ka-GBL fans to look forward with our All-Star game for the 3-point shootout lambda competition. So 41-38. Ang second quarter, nakuha pa rin ng Kuya Chamels, pero munti ka nang makuha ng Raila Trabungco. But again, we are still having 2 quarters left. So marami pang oras. But again, ligdan natin kung anong adjustments ang gagawin ng Raila Trabungco because some of their players are getting in a foul trouble situation. But again, may magandang rooster pa naman to substitute all those players. Okay, Ronnie, referee Ronnie, let's begin our third quarter. Anyway, mga GBL, simulan na po tayo for our third quarter. Okay, and I shout out Connie Gonzalez, my John Paul Suarez. Nagpahangin. Okay, so Henrix Hank Mejenos, okay, Mejorenos. Shout out sa iyo, Budagol Pagyao. Idol Alcantara, wala lagi kanidula doon. Wala gyud sige. And now, change court na po tayo. Gonzalez to Reyes. Reyes for 3, no good. Dikiri got the offensive rebound. 2 points for Dikiri. Tindog ko guys, kaya di na ako makita. Anyway, shout out nga pala sa ating CDO RRMO. Kasama natin assisting our play for tonight. Who's foul rep? Oh, Taganos. Pila foul yung Taganos? First team foul, first personal foul of Taganos. 10 to shoot. Talaruk. Hala, naiwan ng guys. Grabe. 2 points for Talaruk. Sizing up of the 2 defender. Talagang naiwan yung dalawang defender. Taganos to Gonzalez. 2 of our power point guards. Uy! There will be a miscommunication from Gonzalez. A turnover for Raila Trabungco. Talaruk to Habla. Habla for 3. Too strong. Got the Peñas, tip off. Dikiri got a rebound. Taganos to Gonzalez. Gonzalez to Taganos. Taganos to Rabi. And a steal. Habla got it. Talaruk. Walang bantay. Easy douche for Talaruk for 2 points. Okay, there we go. 45-40. Lamang ng 5 ang Kuya Chamel's Lone Bites. Gonzalez almost lost it but recovered. Dikiri to Reyes. Reyes. A jumper for free throw line. No good, too strong. Ang labanan ng free throw rebounds. Rebound. Taganos got that control of the rebound. Gonzalez tumira sa free throw line. No good. But that would be a tip-off. Battling for that free throw. Ooh. Dikiri for 3 points. Bang! Easy three for Dikiri. 3 points. Taganos. Uy, airball. Pinilit yung tira na yon ni Taganos para makabawi, but that would be a good defense by Raela Trabungco. Okay, so under 7 minutes and 45 po tayo. 43-45. Reyes dribbling the ball. To Gonzalez. Pass to Taganos. Taganos attacking the basket floater. 2 points for Taganos. Oh, that would be a good steal for Taganos. Stepping in the line. Sayang. Substitution. Kabasan will now go back to the ball game. Pinatiran si Habla. Okay. Okay, tinabagan si Taganos ng warning for that continuous complaining. Okay, now back to the ball game po tayo. Kabasan will now setting up for the team for Kuya Chamel's Lone Bites, and that would be a steal for Taganos. Rabe, layup to seduce, 2 points for Rabe, taking the advantage of that reach between Kabasan. Okay, so now lumang na ngayon ang Raela Trabungco, 47-45, under 7 minutes. Kabasan for 3. Ooh, who's foul? Okay, number 34. Dikiri got a personal foul on that rebound. Second team foul. Inbound. Peñas. Peñas. Talaruk. Okay, that would be a foul. Another foul for Reyes. Reyes got his first personal foul. Peñas, jumper for 2. Basket counted. Peñas, 2 points. B-Benz. Yan gagawa ka, no? Talagang alam mo yung beat na yan, guys. Anyway, so back to the ball game po tayo. Let's go, Rabe. Gonzalez to Taganos. Rabe in the corner. Dalawang isip. Gonzalez. Spin move. Wow, gandang tira. Ewan ko, tira ba yun or pasa? Tinira talaga. And that would be 2 points for Gonzalez. Okay, steal. Rabe to Taganos. Oh. And that would be a foul. Who's foul rep? Ooh, 34. 34. Okay, so that would be a foul for 34. That would be second foul? Okay, so Tito foul. Second personal foul, I think, for Dikiri. Okay, that would be 4th team foul. Second? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, so that would be unsportsman play for Dikiri. So Peñas will go to the line for 2. Okay, easy na po tayo, guys. Easy. Okay, easy. Peñas. No good. 47-49 po tayo sa tala ng score. Pasok or hindi, ball possession pa rin ng Kuya Chamel's Lone Bites. Okay, basket counted, and that would be 48-49. Ball possession for Kuya Chamel's Lone Bites. Alvarez, Boss Alvarez will do the inbound to Talarok to Kabasan for 3. Okay, Hiwi. All right, that would be the curious rebound. Gonzalez got control with the ball. Oh, that would be a miscommunication. Kabasan got that steal. Intercept by Kabasan. A layup for Kabasan to go. Rebound by Talarok. Nagdadalawang isip, but that would be a strong defense. Okay, nakuha ni Taganos. Taganos got that ball. Reyes attacking the basket. Gonzalez to Taganos for two. Too short. Rebound by Peñas. Okay, that will be jump ball. Bola ng Kuya Chamels. Substitution. Kuya Chamels, Clone Bites bola. Yung araw, di ba? Tama ba? Okay, substitution. Okay, so Ecleo, balik sa ball game si Ecleo. Under 5 minutes and 28. 48-49, lamang lang ni isang puntos ang Raila Trabunco. Kabasan. Looking for an open man. Number 16. Alvarez. Spin move. Ooh! Madulas talaga dyan. Uy, Kabasan, pinilit at tingnan tres. Oh! Ingat tayo dyan guys kasi natumba dyan si Peñas. Si Talaro kanina pala. Digyas kayo diha. Paliyo ko rin pa. Ayan. Talaro. Got it. Nice pass for Peñas. Peñas. Oh, that would be a pushing for Peñas. Kita yung tulak na yun. Okay. So that would be a good call for our referee. So thank you so much. Uy! Third foul na si Peñas. Delikado pag makakuha pa ng another foul. Be careful talaga dapat si Peñas sa laruan. Key player naman siya ng ating Kuya Chamels. Oh. Gonzalez tumatawag ng play sa kanyang teammate. Taganos to Dikiri. Nice pass ball movement from Gonzalez to Taganos to Dikiri. Dikiri for 2 points. Kabasan attacking the basket aggressively but there's a whistle and that would be a penalty. Tama ba? Penalty na ba tayo? Penalty na? So we are, tama, penalty na nga tayo. So in other words, Kabasan will go to the line for 2 free throws. Mahaba pa yung oras. Taganos got his second personal foul. So now, Kabasan will shoot 2 for free throws. So every foul na yun for Clone Bites, that would be a free throw. Dapat sayangin. So for me mga ka-GBL talaga dapat importante pagpraktisan yung free throws kasi in every shot, every shot counts talaga. No? So most likely talagang nawawala yung composure sa pagod, walang hangin, that would be a sense of misery kumbaga sa isang player hindi makapag-shoot sa free throw. Free throw na nga, hindi pa mapasok. So that would be part of their drills talaga sa mga training. Anyway, so back to the ball game po tayo. Gonzalez, posing up. Taganos for 3, too strong. And Taganos, Kabasan got the rebound, 2 in 1. Alvarez, no bantay, 2 points. Okay. Nalunok ko yung microphone, sorry. Okay, Alvarez got the 2 points layup. 51-50 in favor pa rin ng Raila Trabunco. Lamang na isang puntos. Taganos attacking the basket for that screen for Ecleo and Taganos. Tagalaruk got it. Walang kasama. 3 on 1. Nagdadalawang isip. Peñas for the layup. Uy! Too strong. Pinilit ang tira na yon, but there's no call. Reyes taking the advantage. Alvarez got the defense. Ooh! Nakakuha ng foul. So that would be a 3-point play opportunity. Pero cramps tayo. Medic. May medic ba tayo? Okay, so Reyes got that basket counted layup spin move, pero nag-cramps guys. Struggling na talaga yung paa. Okay, so Araneta got the substitution for Dikiri and Rabe for Taganos. So ready for rebound. Basket counted tayo, so tignan natin makomplete yung 3-point play ni Reyes. Bo, shout out kay Ravs Bunani o Hizam Pamaloy. Salamat kaayo. Thank you. Okay, so basket counted tayo. Thank you, Gustavo Y. Sapi. Okay, Idol Alcantara. Anyway, thank you so much for watching mga 88,000 viewers. Okay, Talaruk. Talara score 54-50. Lamang ng apat ang Raela Trabungco. Under 3 minutes and 26. Oh! Gonzales got that rebound. So definitely that would be a reaching foul for Gonzales. First foul for Gonzales. Anyway, shout out nga din pala sa ating Philippine National Police, Iligan City Police Office, Station 1. Mga sirs, thank you so much for our security and enjoy watching our play tonight between Kuya Chamel's Clone Bites versus Raela Trabungco. Okay, Taganos, first row. Okay, eto na talaga yung sinasabi ko. That's why most of our players must have a consistent free throw shooting. Kasi talagang in every free throws, talaga importante, bawat shot. Okay, that would be a basket counted. Second throw is good. Out of 2, isa lang napasok. So 51-54. Abante sa tatlo ang puntusan ng Raela Trabungco. Now Gonzales looking for an open man. Got that screen for Araneta. Jumper for Gonzales. 2 points, Gonzales. Talagang ang ganda din talaga ng fighting spirit ni Gonzales. Nakakuha ng foul, binawian ng tirang dos. Eto na, Alvarez to Talaruk. Talaruk looking for an open man. Kabasan. Kabasan na iwan! Wow! Oh! Sayang. Open shot pa naman sana. Gonzales to kita pangalan. Alvarez to Kabasan. Kabasan for 3-1. Oh, the basket counted for Kabasan. Ang ganda. Hindi natakot. Atapang atao si Kabasan. Inatake ang 3-4 na bantay. And that would be a 3-point play opportunity for Kabasan. So ready for rebound. Araneta, I think second foul, no? Second personal foul for Araneta. Ready for rebound. Wala pa rin, di ba? Sayang. So that's why talagang igihan ang pag-workout or pag-practice ng free throws. Talagang mawawala yung pulso. Kahit anong kagaling shooter pa tayo. Okay, Gonzales. Atake the basket. Paso Araneta. Woo! Lakas ng tama yon. But anyway, that would be foul for Talaruk. Okay, so Talaruk got that first personal foul of his, bringing Araneta in the free throw line. Short pa rin. Sayang talaga, no? Mga ka-GBL, if you know, talagang hindi natin ma-judge yung mga players natin na hindi makapag-free throw. Talagang hirap din yan when it comes to intensity of the game. Ang pulso, nawawala yung tira and composure ng mga players. Wala pa rin, hindi na-convert yung 2 puntos, but it's offensive rebound. Okay, ball possession retained from to Raela Trabungco. 10 to shoot, under 2 minutes. Substitution. Okay, so 53-56 po tayo. Lamang na 3 ang ating team clone by ating Raela Trabungco. Rabe, Gonzales. Too strong. Suarez, got it. Uy! Talaruk got the violation, the backcourt violation. Okay guys, pula po tayo, hindi sa puti. So ito po yung talagang, ito po yung disadvantage ng isang court na maraming nagagamit. Lahat ng sports nila pang basketball. Laging puti. Gonzales, get a screen for Araneta, spin move, oh! Arabe, double team. To Gonzales. Araneta got the offensive rebound. Easy deuce for Araneta. 2 points. Alvarez. Kickball. Timeout. Kuya Chmel's Clone Bites. And that timeout, mga kaibigan, is brought to you by Vice Mayor Wekwek Uy. Ligan, we can do it. Okay, according to our ka-GBL, Analea Hundangan Luna, shoutout sa iyo. Paningkamot Clone Bites, kulang mo. Ayan, pero talagang nilalaban ng ating Team Clone Bites. Maganda yung laruan ng Team Clone Bites. Now, they will be having an adjustment kasi ngayon sila naghahabol for our round for the third quarter. So now, shout out watching from Dimaraw. Shout out sa iyo, ka-GBL, Mafi Tok sa Bulkad. Ayan, Ulasiman, shout out kong Gogords. Ayan, shout out kong Keon aka Miracle BB. Okay, there you go. Back to the ball game po tayo. So tingnan natin kung anong gameplay ang gagawin ng team Kuya Chmel's Clone Bites from that time out. Ano? Kuya Raila Trabungko pala. Okay, there we go. Under 1 minute and 10 seconds na lang po tayo for the third quarter, 53-60. 7 points ang lamang ng Raila Trabungko. Okay, back to Gonzales na naman and 2 points for Gonzales. Talagang taking that advantage for that slow defense for Kuya Chmel's. Alvarez got that strong rebound. Alvarez sa kabasan, umos sa steal. Short. Gonzales battling that rebound. Talagang alam ni Gonzales pwedeng i-jump ball kasi sa kanila yung nakaturo yung aro. Matalino to talaga si Gonzales. Okay. Bola. Raila Trabungko. Talagang napatingin si Gonzales sa arrow. So definitely alam niya yung bola kahit naka-jump ball. Bola. Okay, baliktad na ha. Okay, so next ball possession sa jump ball will be Kuya Chmel. Gonzales again, binabantayan na ngayon. Alright, there we go. Ooh, Araneta to Ecleo. No good. Tip off. Kabasan got that rebound. 3 on 3 at 3-4. Okay, may pit na depensa. Okay, that would be a tip off. Pero maganda yung depensa ng ating Raila Trabungko, stopping that fast break. Talaga maganda yung diktikan depensa, pinapakita ng Raila Trabungko, stopping that fast break. Kabasan, kay Cleo got that steal. Gonzales to Rabe. Rabe for 2 points. 9 seconds lang po tayo. Too strong. Okay, ball right of the regulation. Okay, so end of the third quarter na po tayo, and this time, at this moment, lamang na ang Raila Trabungko at the end of the third quarter. And that third quarter is brought to you by Honorable Vice Mayor Wekwek Uy Iligan. We can do it. Eto na. So guys, ang gandang labanan ito. Now we are now moving on to the most exciting quarter of this second game. Our 30th matchup between Kuya Chmel and Clone Bites. Pang 30 na game na po to since our opening. So that will be talagang habang tumatagal, lalo sumasarap ang labanan. So that would be a good play for Raila Trabungko getting that 11-point lead at the end of the third quarter. So titignan natin kung anong adjustments ang gagawin na team play from Kuya Chmel's Chicken House Clone Bites for the fourth quarter. Okay, mga ka-GBL, let's move on to our fourth quarter. It's game time! Eto na. And now, Kabasan, sizing up, getting the screen for Peñas. Nagdadalawang isip. Oh, that will be a good ball handling. Talarok for 3. No good. Tip off. Kuha ni Kabasan. Ang rebound. Oh, Taisa. Peñas, screen. Pero hindi pinasa. Oh, that would be a bad call for Kabasan. Gandang screen pa naman kay Peñas, pero hindi pinasa. But anyway, eto na. Hold daw sabi ng ating team captain, Rabe. Balik kay Rabe ulit. Then to shoot Kakok. Looking for an open man. Taganos tumira ng long bomb 3. No good. Rebound by Kuya Chmel. Talaruk, nagnamadali. Tequilo for 2 points. Okay, alam na talaga ni Rabe that they need to hold, to maintain and hold their lead. Araneta sizing up, spin move. Oh, that would be another turnover! Talaruk. Oh, that would be a steal. Nice defense. Rabe. Sizing up the small bantay. Peñas, Nobu. Oh. Who's foul? Taganos got his another personal foul. Ooh. Taganos got his third. Delikado. But anyway, kaya pa yan. Peñas, nagdadalawang isip, sizing up the defense. Pinilit. Got his own offensive rebound. Di pa rin. But Peñas will go to the line. Second team foul, but again, most of the key players, Araneta got the third, Taganos got the third personal foul. So talaga mag-ingat lahat ng mga players natin, no? Kasi most likely, Taganos got the third foul, Araneta got his third also. But second team foul po tayo. So ready for rebound, hindi pumasok. Talagang nihit kaayo ang free throw sa atong mga players, guys. Basket counted. Shout out. Uy, eto naman, aking sangay. Idol Jervin Jan Taganos. Idol Gorgor All-Star. Okay. So anyway, Sid Moore, shout out Mr. Ulfa watching from Marawi City. Assalamualaikum. Okay, short. Rebound by Kabasan. Kabasan battling of that rebound. Almost a steal but recovered. Kabasan got the ball. Posting up. Getting a play for his teamplate. Looking for a pass. Naghahanap na kasamahan. Tequilo. Driving the basket. Tumira na dos. Oh, that would be a foul for Reyes. Alright, shout out nga pala sa ating mga 13 foul. Reyes got the second personal foul. 13 foul. First row. Basket counted. Okay, shout out sa ating mga brothers and sisters natin na mga Maranao. Having their Ramadan. Assalamualaikum sa inyo po. Maraming salamat sa suporta. Okay, no good. Rebound by Reyes. 57-64. Under 7 minutes and 35 seconds. Okay, pababa ng ating minuto. Raela Trabunco. Okay, Calvin. Oh, good. Rebound by Kuya Chamel's Lone Bites. Dulugin to Talaruk. Talaruk to Tequilo. Tequilo. Then to shoot. Oh, that would be a tip-off for Araneta. Nice defense for Araneta. 7-shot clock. Okay, nice defense by Araneta. Forcing that, uy! Naiwan. But anyway, nakabawi si Tequilo for 2 points. 59-64. Under 6 minutes na po tayo and 57. Habang humahabol din ang puntusan ng ating Kuya Chamel's Combites. Ooh! Recovered by Taganos. Battling. Kuha ni Rabe. Reyes, side 3 corner. Oh! Tinamaan sa gilid. Suarez got a offensive rebound. Attacking the basket. Araneta, 2 points. Araneta. Kabasan. Got the screen for Peñas. Peñas. Jumper for 2. Definitely 2 points. Peñas. 61-66 lamang ng 5. Under 6 minutes na po tayo. Pababa na pababa ang ating oras. Pero pabilisan ang paghambol ng Kuya Chamel's Lone Bites. Okay, Reyes again sizing up. Tumira na 3. Nagdalawang isip. Pass to Taganos. Taganos, straight. Oh, that would be an air ball but recovered by Araneta. Araneta for 2. No good. That's good. Taganos. Pass to Tequilo for 2. Boo! 2 points for Tequilo. Timeout! Raela Trabunco. Ayan, quick timeout ni coach. Then that timeout is brought to you by Wick Wick. Uy, iligan, we can do it. Ang ganda ng labanan mga ka-GBL. If you're not here, you are nowhere. Kumbaga. So, ngayon, naghahabol na, nagkaka-create na ng momentum ang Kuya Chamel's Clone Bites. We have a score, talaan 63-66. Baba sa single possession ang ating puntusan. 3 points ang lamang ang hinahabol ng team Kuya Chamel Clone Bites. Okay, last 5 minutes and 41 seconds na po tayo for this fourth quarter. So eto na, talagang seryoso ang set play or gameplay na gagawin ng ating Raela Trabunco. Shout out Coach Popoy Flores of Raela Trabunco from CPF Dragons 2.0. Shout out sa iyo Marjorie Liu sa Banokia Borda. Thank you for that shout out. So please like po sa ating Facebook page and share our live. Thank you so much. Amy Chamel Maglinti Apinian. Go Kuya Chamel Second House by Emmy Chamel. Thank you for watching po. Gonzales. Tumatawag ng kasamahan. Okay, Rabe. Cassia is now back to the ball game. Gonzales forcing that tira. Cassia got that rebound. Rabe faking the basket, attacking the basket. Okay, side step, toe short. Rebound, got his own rebound. Got own miss, and that will be a 2 points. Rabe, very aggressive talaga na team captain to. Got his own miss, and that will be an offensive rebound for 2 points, and that will be a good for Raela Trabunco. 68-63. Okay, baba na po sa 4 minutes and 57 ang oras. Ooh, that would be an easy deuce for Cabasan. Talagang sizing up Rabe on that defense, but ginamitan ng bilis for that layup. And now Gonzales dribbling the ball, looking for an open man. Rabe looking for an open man. To Gonzales ulit. Tumatawag ng screen. Ecleo for 3 points. Ecleo for 3 points. Talaruk. Walang mapasahan. 10 to shoot. Bakit lang. Cabasan. Forcing that shot, no good. Rebound by Cassia. Gonzales. To Ecleo ulit. Ecleo, and that would be a foul for Peñas. Okay, that would be a push foul. Uy, eto na. So ito na sinasabi to. Na nasa foul trouble na po si Peñas, key player din ng Team Clone Bites. But the coaches decided to retain his position in the ball game. Rabe for 3, short. Yaw. Lakas talaga. Praise the Lord. Okay, so Kuya Chamel's Clone Bite po tayo. Ball possession, 65-71. Under 3:42 for the last. Okay, Cabasan. Cabasan, sizing up. Almost lost the ball. Talagang. Oh. Rabe, got the steal. Taganos. Taganos hit the floor. Rabe. Oh, agay. That would be a foul for Peñas. Fouled out. Okay, tingnan. Fouled out na ka. Fouled out na talaga. As mentioned kanina, talagang as mentioned. 5 na. As nag-announce po ko, no? Sabi ko nga na ba, foul trouble ka na Peñas, but again, coaches decided to retain you in the ball game, pero again, you got another foul and you will be now out of the game. Okay, no good for Rabe. Sayang yung si Peñas, key player pa rin naman. Pero again, hindi na kulang na-mention tayo kanina na got his 4th personal foul, but hindi nilabas ni coach. Got his another foul, and definitely that would be a foul out for him. Okay, Rabe got that basket counted. Second throw. 72-65, 3 minutes and 15. Dapat for me, no, mga ka-GBL talagang magmamadali na dapat ang ating Kuya Chemel Clone Bites to take off puntos kasi pababa, paubos ang oras because this will be the last quarter and that will be a foul. Who's fouled it? Rabe got another personal foul. And now, penalty. Under penalty. Talaruk. Driving the basket. Oh, sayang. Napalakas lang. Gonzalez aggressively attacking the basket. Oh, another miscommunication to the Kiri. And that will be a turnover. And now the Kuya Chemel Clone Bites will take this advantage for this ball possession. 2 minutes 43. Ayan. Pababa na ng score natin. Kabasan must have a quick decision and display para hindi maubos yung oras kasi alam nila sila naghahabol. So now, Kabasan, Tequilo, traveling violation. Gonzalez commanding a play for his teammate. Screen by Dikiri. Dikiri, 2 points. Basket counted. 2 points for Dikiri. And now, Tagalogos. Tagalogos tuloy. Sorry. Talaruk. Talaruk. Forcing that 2. Recovered. Oh. Miscommunication ulit. And that would be a turnover. Gonzalez. No good. Rebound. Kabasan. Talaruk. Oh, that would be a good D for Gonzalez. Timeout. Kuya Chemel's Clone Bites. And once again, that timeout is brought to you by Rebel Vice Mayor Wick League, and we can do it. Okay, so now, tala na the score, guys. Mga ka-GBL is 65-74, under 1 minute and 24 na po tayo. So now, the Team Clone Bites naghahabol, so they must have a quick decision on their play and every ball possession para makahabol. Talagang tight ang defense na pinapakita ng Team Raela Trabunco. And fighting in this fourth quarter, they are now killing much time para maubos. Kasi alam nilang advantage sa kanila kasi mas lamang sila. So now, let's find out if kaya pang habulin ng Team Kuya Chemel's Clone Bites. Okay, so back to the ball game po tayo. Sa ball possession po, again, ng ating Kuya Chemel's Clone Bites. Kabasan for 3 short. Na Iwan. Rabe. Rabe. Tocasio. And now they're killing much time, burning the time. Raela Trabunco is now deciding to burn the time. Ecleo for 3, no good. Dikiri got up as a rebound in a block. And now, seconds to play na po tayo, 55. Inbound, Calve to Gonzalez. 10 to shoot. Nice D. 5 to shoot. Kasia forcing that throw, no good. Garabe got that rebound ulit. Burning the time. Two points for Rabe. Short pa rin. And that would definitely Kasia holding the basket to Cleo. Gonzalez jumper for two. No good. Kasia, no good. 3, 2, 1. All right, so game over. So, panalo, Raelo Trabunco, 76/65 ng Kuya Chamel. Kuya Chamel Clone Bites, short sa laruan nila ngayon. Sayang ang kanilang gameplay, pero maganda yung pinapakita ng labanan between the two teams. So once again, congratulations both teams. Maraming salamat Kuya Chamel Clone Bites and Raelo Trabunco for that nice gameplay na pinapakita ngayon on our 30th game for this season. So shout out Marifetok sa Bulkad, Talarok Idol. Ayan. Marjorie Luisa Binokia Borda, congrats Raelo Trabunco. Okay, so handshake po tayo. So congratulations, Raela Trabunco, winner for our game for the second game tonight. All right, so now we are ready to announce our player of the game. Okay, so there we go mga ka-GBL. We are now done with our 30th game of the season between Raela Trabunco and team Kuya Chamel's Lone Bites. So between that matchup, panalo for tonight's game, we have Raela Trabunco advancing for their standing. And again, maraming salamat sa ating mga live viewers sa ating Game Time Basketball League. Sa mga hindi pa like and share our Facebook page. So please like and visit our Game Time or GBL Game Time Basketball League Season 1. Kasama ngayon tonight, Mike Master G, Jervin Halili. And now we are waiting for the announcement of our Raela Trabunco. But before that, announcement of our player of the game for Raela Trabunco. But before that, announcement muna tayo. So remember mga ka-GBL, as mentioned, March 1, that will be our All-Star break for our Game Time Basketball League Season 1. And that will be our first ever All-Star game of the season. So that will be held on MSU IIT Gym. Exact time is 6 p.m. So kita-kits po tayo mga ka-GBL. Some of our highlight and main highlight and attraction will be our 3-point shootout. Exclusive for all our high-efficient 3-point players sa ating GBL players. And again, may slam dunk competition po tayo between the players and open for invitations sa mga hilig mag-dunk. No? So anyway, watch out on our posting and information about our All-Star game on March 1. That would be on MSU, in MSU IIT Gym. So now, ayan, Janelle, ayan. Okay, so to announce our player of the game. Okay, so now let's move on to announcement of our Derek Xiao, player of the game. And our player of the game garnering 17 points, 11 rebounds, and 7 assists. Congratulations, double-double. Si number 10, congratulations, John Robbie! Sir John Robbie, please join me here for the interview. Congratulations po. Maraming salamat. Sir John. So, anyway, Sir John Robbie, congratulations for that win for tonight. So, congratulations talagang. I really appreciate your highly skilled and the mentality of the game. But first and foremost, alam nyo naman na talagang advantage na kayo sa standing. But joining tonight's game, ano yung mentality or mindset for Raela Tarabunco to take the win for tonight?
Ano lang, wala talaga kaming pinagbibigyan kasi pati yung kalaban namin prepared din yan eh. Tapos, syempre, kailangan namin manalo para makapasok sa top 1, top 2.
So, most basically, kita natin kanina that you have a very good play but talagang nalalamangan kayo sa puntusan for Raela, for Clone Bites. Pero what are the certain adjustments for you to take home and win the fourth quarter? Kasi alam naman natin for the first and second, first half, talagang kontrolado ng Clone Bites ang laruan. So what is the major key factor for you to win and take home the second half for the win?
Siguro sa adjust namin na sinabi ni Coach Moy kasi syempre lamang na nga yung kalaban tapos hindi pa kami magdedepensa. Syempre doon talaga kami nag-adjust. Kailangan namin mag-sustain sa depensa para makabawi din kami sa kanila.
Being our direct show player of the game, kitang-kita ko, even me personally, and sa live natin na mga GBL, kitang-kita yung great leadership mo. Kasi in every ball possession, you really wanted to secure, and every ball possession talagang kinokontrol yun yung oras at saka yung puntusan. So, in your mindset as a team leader, what is your motivation for your teammates? Kasi talagang kita ko yung frustration pag makapag-create kayo ng turnover. So, what's your motivation for your teammates? Ano po yung pinapakitang leadership? Saan po yung galing?
Tiwala pa rin sa mga teammates ko kasi syempre lahat naman kami malas din eh. Pero sa depensa, nag-usap kami na yun nga sa offense may malas pero sa defense wala. Kaya yun, doon namin minomotivate yung sarili namin. Yan. Ayun, unang-una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon dahil sa panalo na binigay. Tapos sa family ko, sa mahal ko, si Mitch, sa anak ko, si Zane. Sa teammates ko, sa lahat. Si Kuya Mark, sa lahat talaga. Tapos kay Coach Popoy, kay Ma'am Sha, sa Raj, sa Team Raela, tapos sa Bilotindes family, sa Rabi family, yun lang.
Okay, so thank you so much. Maraming salamat. So thank you so much mga ka-GBL, our player, direct show player of the game, Sir John Rabe. Sir, congratulations for your double-double. Thank you po. Okay, so congratulations. So now mga ka-GBL, that ends our 30th matchup for our Game Time Basketball League Season 1. Kasama niyo po pa rin Barage, the voice of the league of the GBL Season 1, the Mike Master G. Jervin, Rino Dalangin, Halili saying God bless everyone. Have a good night and happy weekend sa lahat. See you on our next matchup. Thank you so much everyone.
Hello, Iliganons! As we enjoy the game, let's remember to play fair, respect one another, and have fun. Daog or Pildi, basketball is about teamwork, discipline, and sportsmanship. So good luck to everyone. Kini inyong Mayor, Freddy Xiao, ang pirming nga masaligan, masadigan, o masangpit sa tanan. Padayon, Ascenso, Iliganon.